Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing BoxyCharm, which is super exciting. This is the first one that I am filming an unboxing for. I did receive a BoxyCharm for the month of February, but I kind of received it after everyone else. My contents are busting out of their box because they're ready to see you. This is what the box looks like. This subscription is $21 a month. Generally, there is a wait list. However, there is not a wait list right now. I will go ahead and post my affiliate link down below. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but it does help me if you do, and I do greatly appreciate it. So, when you open this box up, it does say, I believe, "Hello, Charmer." And then you go ahead and you open it up. It has this nice foam protectant. It does show all of its social media outlets, hashtag BoxyCharm, and it says Vacation on the card. I don't know if you guys can even see that. I don't want to dump everything. And the cool thing about this card, like Birchbox, they do give you the prices, they do give you a description of the products, and BoxyCharm devotes itself to full and luxury size samples, which is really exciting because you're definitely getting your money's worth. Generally, the boxes are well over $100. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for this month. All right, I did use some of these products on my face. We'll go over that while I'm talking about them. I think first I'm going to talk about the South Main eye gel packs. They look like this. They're supposed to like reduce puffiness or dark circles. Just a nice, you know, therapeutic treatment for your under eyes. And it says on the card that these are worth $10. Under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. This is really cool. I like anything for my eyes, so I am really excited to give these a shot. And I think they're a nice little skincare addition to the box because the rest is makeup related. The next thing that I am seeing in my box is this Pretty Vulgar blush. I did get the brighter blush. This one is in the shade Prim Vixen. The shade looks like this. It is on my cheeks right now, so if I do look a little bit, you know, cray, it's because I'm wearing this blush. I'm going to just swatch it right here. Hopefully you can get a glimpse of the color. Ignore any other swatches that I have on me. I did film other videos today. So that right there is worth $26. It says make them blush. Powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. Okay, so if you're not brave enough to wear this on your cheeks, I do highly recommend giving it a shot on your eyes. It is really pigmented. It is hot pink. So it's a really beautiful color. It's really soft. I didn't experience any fallout with it. Definitely experiment and play around with your blush if you're just too intimidated to put it on your cheeks. I understand it's really bright. The next item I'm seeing in the box is this Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. Has 3 blending brushes for an eye look. Unfortunately, I did not use these. They are brand new still. And it says that these are $23.15. They are a smoky eye makeup brush set. This brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color into the angled shadowed brush and work it into the crease of your eyelid and outer corners. The smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together or alternatively use as even a darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. Not sure if I gathered any of that, but you know what to do. It has instructions on the back. Thankfully, for those of us who aren't as experienced with makeup, they are labeled steps 1, 2, and 3. They do tell you what to do with each brush. I do like that because not everybody knows what to do with what brushes. I honestly only use a couple out of my giant brush collection, so I understand that, and it's kind of nice to have directions. The next thing that I'm seeing in the box is the biggest thing in the box. Wow. Okay, so I have tested this out. It is on my eyes today. If you do like it, let me know. I'll do a tutorial on it. I have to tell you, I am not 100% a fan of this collaboration or this palette. I have a few beefs with it, which I'll cover in a minute. This is cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, vegan-friendly. It's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. The colors are beautiful. It's from Pur Cosmetics. I just dropped something. It was just the little cover that keeps the mirror clean. Okay, so these are the shades in this palette. I'm sorry about the mirror. I'm not trying to blind you guys. So today I did apply these to my eyes. I used a few shades in the palette. I used Perfect, Naked, Belle, I used Squad, and I also used BFF, this bright purple shade, which is the way that I was able to incorporate the hot pink blush. So if you are wanting to use something like this, you can go ahead and dip into the brighter colors in the palette. I don't really like the shimmer shades in this palette. They're not very shimmery. It was really just crumbly. So I'm not really sure about those. Yeah, they're just kind of crumbling. You can see it on my fingertip that it's kind of chalky. I don't really have anywhere good to put it. I'm like running out of places to swatch. I'm not going to swatch all of these. Maybe I will, and I'll take a picture and include that. Okay, so it's just right there. Honestly, they're just not fantastic. I did have good luck with the pigmentation on the Boxy Black and on BFF. The pigmentation is definitely there. I was impressed with those two colors. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm not impressed. But it is really cool that we're going to get, you know, a full-size palette and a $21 subscription. This palette, I believe, is worth $36. So $36, and it says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature Silky Smooth Ultra Mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus, you can layer the shimmer shades for a dual chrome finish. Okay, I didn't swatch the blue, but I want to. We're gonna put it in a super awkward place. The only thing that concerns me is it's another shimmer, and I'm just not a fan. Okay, that is way better than the other shimmer. That's really pigmented. And it's really soft. It does have chunks of glitter, so just so you know, this is a chunky glitter palette. If you don't like that, this isn't for you. So that's it for the eyeshadow palette. I'm still really thoroughly pleased with the items that they send us. I mean, they're full size. You pay $21. The value is generally way larger than, you know, the cost of the box. It is always way larger. The last item I do have on my eyes right now, I don't love it, I don't hate it, I have to play around with it. This is from Butter London. This is Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Looks like this. So you get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. I 100% believe that. It really thickened my lashes. Here we go again. I cannot talk. It thickened my lashes. It really did. I am losing lashes left and right, and honestly, they were really thick. Whenever I applied this, I was like, dang, I didn't know I had all those lashes. So that's pretty cool. I don't dislike this. I'm just unsure about it, and I haven't gotten to play around with it other than today. It is on my lashes, so I'll go ahead and look down so that you can see the length. I don't know if you can see the curl or not, but I do like it. It can clump up really easy, that's all. So you have to be a little bit careful. The wand looks like this. I like the wand. And this is in the shade Nothing, because it doesn't tell me. It just says Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and the packaging looks like that. I really like this. I was super pumped to get a full-size mascara in a box this month. I needed one desperately, so I'm really happy with that. Overall, that's all I got in my BoxyCharm for this month. I do love my BoxyCharm subscription. I am probably never going to cancel this. I don't know. Just, it's a great way to build your makeup collection. So if you don't have that much and you don't want to go out and spend high dollar on high-end products, but you want to try them out, you just want to build your collection, you don't have that many things, you're not really open-minded. That's how I am. I'm not open-minded. So whenever I go to the store, I don't end up with anything new because I just don't have that open-mindedness to try new things. But when they send it to me, I'm kind of forced to try it, and I find new products that I absolutely love or don't love. And I really appreciate the concept of this box and the worth. So let's go ahead and see how much this box is worth for fun. So we've got 36, 46, 56, 66. So this is roughly a $116 box, you guys. $116 and you paid $21. So let me know in the comments how you feel about BoxyCharm. Do you have it? Did you like your BoxyCharm? I also want to have, you know, some confirmation on others' opinions with their BoxyCharm Pure Collaboration palette. I'm just really not into it. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it, to be honest. I have so many great palettes that have tremendous pigment and blendability. So I want to hear how you feel about the palette in the comments down below. And if you like this unboxing and you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know whenever I post new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!